Hi, what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate the problem that Trek have highlighted with certain models of quick release lever and how they can foul your disc brake. What we've got here is we've got 3 different quick releases, and we're going to demonstrate on this bike here that uses a front QR axle and a disc brake. The first one is one we found in our spares box. It looks like an Eastern one. If we push this through, you'll be able to see that if we were to open that QR fully, there is absolutely no danger that this is going to make contact with your disc and jam anything. This is an old style one. You can see it actually does open beyond the 180 degree limit. If you have a look at what happens when we put this in here, if we open this fully, it doesn't quite make contact. You probably get away with that one, that's fine. However, we did find in our spares tools this one, and this one is actually, if you have a look on there, it says open. On the back it says formula, not Trek. We push this one through the axle here. We open up here. Oh, you can see the issue. There is a danger that that could jam inside the disc, and all manner of bad things could happen. If you have one of these, we would suggest getting rid of it, or at the very least, stick it in from the other side. It's not going to jam in anything there.